Well, good morning and welcome back to Posh Cats Camping. We're at Meathop Fell and it's in the southern part of the Lake District. We've been here a couple of days, but we've had some pretty atrocious weather. It's been raining on and off and pretty dull and dreary since we arrived. But today, beautiful blue skies and the sun is shining, and look, I'm just in my sweater. It's very, very mild for mid-November 2021. Let's go and have a little look around this site and see if we can find Smurf. Well, the entrance to the site here is reasonably easy access. There is a twist in the road, a little narrow lane that you come down with passing spaces, but shouldn't be a problem so long as you don't arrive early. This is the first part of the site here as you come in, and the reception and facilities are straight ahead of us. So you come up the hill to the arrivals area and you see the autumn colours. Just beautiful here at the moment against the blue skies. Just over to the right is the reception and the office where you can check in, and round to the right of that is the facilities block. And here there's ladies and gents toilets and showers, there's a laundry room, there's vegetable preparation and washing up area, and all the things that you expect of a Caravan and Motorhome club site. And with the sun being completely in my eyes, I couldn't see what I was pointing at for a moment there, but as you can see, it's beautiful. And around the back here as well, there's an information room. It's a Saturday morning here at Meathop Fell and the site is pretty much full. Some lovely views across the hills here, and the grass pitches this time of year are left vacant, so grass is pretty soft. Walking down past reception, just on the right is the Motorhome service point. A lovely big area with a drive over drain, and there's also somewhere you can fill up your fresh water and empty your bins. There's also an Elson point there too, so you've got everything easy at hand. Quite popular pictures on the end here, overlooking the hills. There's a lovely big dog area, dog walking area here, with the bins. And you can let your dog off, and it's a nice place to come if you want to soak up these Cumbrian views. Very pretty. One of the things Sue insisted I filmed whilst I was down here by the dog walk is this little fairy garden. And yeah, it's quite fun. A nice little area in the trees here, with the bunting in the trees and these little wooden toadstools all through. There's plenty of service points along the way around the site with the chemical waste emptying, fresh and waste water and dry waste bins. As you can see, this little area down here amongst the trees, it's really quite quiet and shady. Nice little children's play area down at the bottom end of the park. It's away from the gate where traffic's in and out all the time, so it's a good place to put it. I wonder if you recognise who's coming up here. You won't recognise the motorhome, but you might recognise them waving. There's Bob and Jenny Earnshaw. I've been trying out the Bailey Adamo and met up with them for a few days this week, and they're on their way home. We just tucked in down the corner here on pitch number 99, and just a slightly sloping pitch. This one we could have done with our blocks really, but wasn't too bad. We managed to park up okay. Well, that's it from Meathop Fell, my Caravan and Motorhome Club site here in Cumbria, in the southern half of the lakes, and we've really enjoyed it here on this site. It really is beautiful. The wardens were fantastic. We had a couple of queries that we want and things we want to ask them, and they were very helpful with that. So we thank them, and for keeping this site really tidy. There's leaves everywhere, and they've been going around with the leaf blower and the rakes to try and keep the place tidy. Never ending task. Anyway, we're moving on. We'll see you on the next video. Do take care of yourselves, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.